Let's say you've got a small business, you've trained your team, you've got systems in place, and now OpenAI just dropped a feature where you can build your own agent in ChatGPT, no code required. Sounds like a game changer, right? And it is. But there's a catch, and if you're not careful, these agents can cause more confusion than clarity for your team. So OpenAI recently rolled out shared projects, native apps, and most importantly, agents. If you're not tracking this yet, you're not alone. But this is the shift that's about to change how AI fits into yours and so many other businesses. Apps in ChatGPT let you integrate tools like Canva, Dropbox, or your CRM right inside the chat. So no more copy and paste chaos. And with agents on the other hand, these are automated workflows that you build into ChatGPT. They're gonna remember your tasks, take actions, and even communicate on your behalf. Sounds powerful, right? But let's talk about what this really means for your business. So imagine this. You're running a mid-sized agency, a new lead fills out a form on your website. Normally your team would manually respond, book a discovery call, maybe send a few links to relevant case studies. Now, you're gonna build an agent that's gonna read the form, analyze their needs, personalize a reply, book a call, and update your CRM. All without touching your keyboard. If it sounds like sci-fi, but this is real. You can do this today, but the reality is, just because doesn't mean you should. Agent Builder is here and it is frictionless. OpenAI's Agent Builder lets you create automated workflows in minutes. But remember, frictionless to build doesn't mean frictionless to maintain. You're still going to need a clear prompt strategy, some guardrails to prevent hallucination, ongoing monitoring. Otherwise, it's like adding an unpredictable intern to your team. So apps and agents is power that you can stack. And when you combine it with apps like Slack or Gmail or Notion, these agents can become super powerful. For example, let's say you have a support agent that can pull a customer history from a CRM, write a response in your tone, and then drop it into Gmail, all via ChatGPT. This is operational intelligence at scale. So it's about augmentation, not replacement. This isn't about cutting your team. It's about making your current team twice as effective. AI is going to become a sidekick, not a replacement. So here's where things can derail fast if you're not careful. Your agents could go rogue. Without clarity, they may respond in ways that doesn't reflect your brand or your ethics. Oversight. You can deploy an agent and forget it's even live, and it'll start sending weird messages, double booking calls, or misclassifying leads. Or you could get locked into a platform where you realize it doesn't integrate with all your other systems, and then you're kind of stuck having built something out in the wrong platform. So these apps and agents in ChatGPT are not just bells and whistles. They are the beginning of a fundamental shift in how businesses are going to be deploying AI. But the winners here aren't the ones who are going to move the fastest, it's the ones that are going to be moving smart. So train your agents just like your employees. Document their purpose, give them feedback, align them with your brand, and don't be surprised if they start outperforming your junior staff. So here's like a little micro task. Open up ChatGPT, explore the agent builder, and create a basic one like an onboarding helper or a meeting notes generator. Test it, try to break it, try to tweak it. You're gonna learn that the more you try with it, the more you're gonna get better at tweaking it all. This is Brains, Bots, and Business, where we're all in on AI. See you in the next one.